Pull up back with another video. I know you should be tired of this video, so let's not waste too much time. Let's get straight into it. So we're gonna go over the trade we did in our Discord that you were able to turn, yes, $100 into 1,200 or 500 into 6,000 or even 1,000 into 12,000. All right, boom. So the first thing we did is ask, are we bullish or bearish? Pretty obvious, we're bullish. We're going straight up. So at that point, we asked ourselves, is our last candle with us or against us? It's with us. That means it is the same color as the trend, bullish. Let's break that down. Bullish is going up. Bullish are the green candlesticks. If our last candle was also bullish, as we're in a bullish trend, then we can find our key levels on our daily time frame. So with that being said, the first area I see that we're able to open into is right here. Now, I believe we're going to open up somewhere in the middle of the gap. So the closest one actually end up being our 50%. So boom, got a key level at the 50% mark of our daily level. Now we're just going to find our ranges. The way we do that is go to a smaller time frame and we just find something that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, so right now I'm on the 1 hour and this is not that clear. If it does not make sense, keep going lower. 30 minutes starts to make a little more sense. Keep going lower. All right, boom. So the 15-minute makes a lot of sense to me. The first thing I'm seeing is this break structure right here. And we also ran out liquidity right here, signifying that this is a strong low. Perfect. Now that we got a strong low, it makes sense for our key level to be right here. This could be, some people call this a demand zone. Some people might call it support resistance. This is why a lot of different strategies work. And I'm not here to tell you about strategy. I'm here to tell you how to look at the market in a holistic perspective. So this is the area that we're looking at. At this point, all we do is set an alert for when it gets to this area to get in the trade. And then whenever it gets in this area, we'll start looking. But again, we also want to trade around our trading time. So see what happens. So we are in our area, but this is at 2 in the morning. I'm not on the chart at 2 in the morning. So we didn't take any trade at our level that we initially had. So boom, we are closer to our trading time now. And now we have to look at the market and say, yes, we marked out our area. Yes, we missed the entry, but what happened? How can I get in this trade? The first thing I'm noticing, or the first thing I'm gonna do is go to my 5-minute time frame so I can really look at what really went on. And the first thing I notice is we have a break of market structure at this high right here. So the same thing we did on a different time frame, we're gonna do it again, but on a smaller scale. We break structure here, and look, we have our first pullback push up. We now have our T1. All right, real smooth. We got T1, we have a breaker structure, everything looks perfect. At this point, we can just look to enter the market down here. Then we can have our swing position at our 1 to 4. This is where I always recommend taking partials. 1 to 4 is just what I shoot for. That's just a number. But you also can go for this high as well. And keep in mind, this is coming from our higher time frame daily perspective. So if you wanted to, this is for my more diamond hold hand, whatever they call it, traders. You can go up there, and that's the 1 to 14. So choice is yours. You can do whatever. So now at this point, everything's set in place. All we're doing is waiting for our area to be hit, and then we're going to place the trade. Perfect. We came down, we took out T1, and our area has just been tagged. So at this point, all you have to do, and this is the hardest part of trading, like you have to really listen closely to this one, is leave it alone. Stop trying to predict where it's going to go. Stop trying to dictate if your stop loss may get hit or may not get hit. Who knows? With all this momentum, you see this coming down right here, you're probably going to think your stop loss is going to get hit. But who knows? Just place the trade and be confident. So then we just let the trade play out. And right now we're at a 1 to 5, so we've been already made money today. And let me just fast forward all of this. Check out the trade. So we haven't hit the full 1 to 14 yet, because this was placed on Monday. It's currently Tuesday. So if you want to hold, you're still holding this. 1 to 14 is in play. Me, I made my money on Monday, 1 to 4. That's all I needed. And I'll try to find some type of screenshot. I don't really be taking screenshots as much anymore. I'll do it sometimes. I think I took one. I'll put something on the screen. Now it's funny how like when you understand the market is fractal and everything is the same thing, just on different scales, you'll see that this same setup to get in this area that we missed, we took it again right here on a smaller scale. It's all the same thing. Master the movement and direction of the market. I don't care what strategy you trade. I'm not trying to convince you to trade my way. What I'm trying to tell you is what you're doing, what it is. I hope this video helped out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and just let me know what you want to hear next. I do a lot of strategy videos, but I don't know if this is something you guys like more, or do you like more car conversations? Y'all let me know, because I honestly don't know. With that being said, y'all be cool, y'all be calm, y'all be safe. I'm gonna catch y'all next one.